You're flying 300 million kilometers away, and in the final seconds, it's not a human, but AI that saves the mission. Without artificial intelligence, we might never have touched Martian soil. Think about it. Real-time instructions from Earth are impossible. At best, it takes anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes for a single command to reach Mars. In that silence, AI becomes the pilot, the scientist, and sometimes the last line of defense. Let's start with Starship, SpaceX's ambitious plan to carry humans to Mars. It's the biggest, most advanced rocket ever built, and it won't just fly itself. Starship's onboard AI systems constantly track thousands of data points: fuel levels, engine status, heat shield temperatures, even wind shear during descent. All decisions, like course corrections or engine restarts, happen in real time, far faster than human reaction. And landing, it's not manual. AI steers Starship through a belly flop maneuver, then flips it upright seconds before touchdown, firing engines at precisely the right moment. It's a dance of physics and machine learning that no pilot could pull off unaided. But Starship isn't just about flight. Inside, AI monitors oxygen production, CO2 scrubbers, water recycling, and even the crew's health, scanning vitals for signs of stress or illness. On Mars, it could help grow crops in controlled habitats, optimize power use from solar panels, and spot equipment failures before they become deadly. Without AI, a Mars colony simply couldn't stay alive. Now, think about the science. Mars rovers like Perseverance are more than just cameras on wheels. They're rolling laboratories armed with tools most people don't even realize exist, like the SuperCam laser, which vaporizes rock to read its chemistry. But AI makes sense of it all. Perseverance carries a hyperspectral imager that sees details our eyes can't. Every time it scans the ground, it generates massive data streams. AI sifts through them, flags anything unusual, and helps scientists pick the best samples to cache for future return missions. Considering NASA plans to bring back only about 30 tiny rock tubes, AI ensures we choose the most promising clues about ancient Martian life. And then there's Ingenuity, the tiny helicopter that defied expectations. Mars's atmosphere is so thin it's like flying at 30 kilometers altitude on Earth. No joystick can help here. Instead, Ingenuity's onboard AI handles stability, reads real-time data from gyros and altimeters, and tweaks its rotor speed dozens of times per second, all on its own. During each flight, Ingenuity decides how to stay balanced, corrects for gusts of wind, and even manages safe landings. It completed over 70 flights, scouting terrain for Perseverance, all without live help from Earth. This was humanity's first powered flight on another planet, and it happened because AI could react faster than any human ever could. Back on the ground, Perseverance itself is a masterpiece of autonomous exploration. Its autonav system uses stereo cameras to build 3D maps of the Martian landscape. It plans paths, avoids sharp rocks, and prevents the rover from getting stuck in soft sand, a mistake that once ended NASA's Spirit rover mission. Autonav lets Perseverance keep moving even while scientists on Earth sleep. It can drive hundreds of meters in a single Martian day, stopping to scan interesting rocks or drill cores. It's not just following orders, it's making decisions. That independence is what makes modern exploration so different. But the most dramatic use of AI happened before Perseverance even started exploring. Mars landings are known as 7 minutes of terror. The spacecraft has to slow from 20,000 kilometers per hour to 0. All on its own. There's no GPS, no pilot, and no chance to retry. For Perseverance, NASA added a breakthrough called Terrain Relative Navigation, or TRN. As the rover descended, TRN's AI compared real-time images from its cameras to preloaded orbital maps. It recognized dangerous cliffs, deep craters, and huge boulders, then chose a safe landing spot in real time. This wasn't programmed. It was genuine AI decision-making under extreme pressure. Without TRN, Perseverance could have crashed. Instead, it landed within 39 meters of its target, the most precise Mars landing ever. All of this proves one thing: without AI, Mars might still be a dream. AI keeps our spacecraft flying, helps our rovers explore, and will one day keep human settlers alive on a distant, unforgiving planet. Artificial intelligence isn't just useful, it's our partner in the greatest adventure humanity has ever attempted. And as we look ahead to building habitats, mining resources, and maybe even terraforming, AI will be at the heart of every plan. And subscribe for more updates on AI.